Um, so it's I'm very happy to share you all that I'm going to start in our upcoming days. We are going to start lecture series fully for free of cost. Yes, we are going to release completely 10 minutes to 15 minutes of video. In each and every video, what we are going to do is we are going to cover only previous year problems and some new questions, in which we are going to see how to learn concepts directly only through problems. So here we are not going to learn any concept step by step. I am not going to give any definitions or any circuits, that things, the blah 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 things. We are going to directly take the problems from each and every subtopics of various electrical subjects. Then we are going to solve the problems directly, and the way that we are going to approach the problems definitely will help you all to understand or get grip with the numerical questions. So for the next 4 to 5 months, I am asking you all to stay tuned with us, whoever preparing for state government exams or central government exams, GATE exam, PSUs. Nowadays I have been observing that the people whoever are taking the classes in online, it's in hours, like they are conducting the classes for 3 hours, 4 hours. They are releasing the video durations of 2 hours, 1.5 hours. Even I too did the same thing earlier days. So later I have recognized that people are killing this system, and nowadays whoever are willing to prepare for the exams, they are slowly losing their hope. So we just wanted to do something for these people. That's always running in my mind. So what I am going to do is we are going to remove all these negative activities. So hereafter you no need to learn any concepts by taking by buying a big note and sit in front of the system, watching hundreds and hundreds hours of lectures and then making notes, then making short notes. After that we have to revise the short notes, and then we have to start solving problems, and then we have to write the test series, and then we have to rectify the mistakes, then we have to again revise the notes, then we should go for the exam. Just by explaining itself, it's I know, I can understand that it's little difficult. So I am removing all these levels. Directly we are going to start practicing the questions without knowing any concepts. So the way we are going to release the videos definitely will let you all to understand these things properly. In order to understand the way that I want to teach, you can just visit our playlist. There you can find lecture series for MOSFET DC analysis, BJT AC analysis, and in mathematics also I did few chapters like how to find the continuity, differentiability. If you observe that lecture series, just watch the complete playlist from the beginning till the ending. That's all. After watching the playlist, automatically you will get the idea. You don't need to take any short notes. Directly start writing the test series, go to the exam. That's all, it will be over. Apart from that, my suggestion is we are going to cover entire things only through problems. After completing the lecture series, what you have to do is you have to write as many test series as possible. Try to understand and get grip with the subject. Okay. So we are going to start this lecture series from engineering mathematics, because you all know this is the subject having more weightage in the exam. And one more thing is, if you observe, after engineering mathematics we are going to start immediately signals and system. Sir, whoever are preparing for any exams, the problem is basically electrical engineering people. Most of us started observing or keeping our attention only with the core part. Core part in the sense power system, power electronics, electrical machines. I know in this area only we are going to get the most expected questions, like weightage will be more. Yes, we know that. But the thing is, while focusing in that way, what most of us are doing is we are forget to keep our attention with the other subjects also. So automatically it is letting to lose our marks in the examination. See, in each and every subject, at least if they are asking some 7 marks, you have to score some 5 marks. That is the way you should push your marks to get close to the maximum level. Suppose if the exam will be conducted for 100 marks, from each and every subject at least you have to score some out of 10 question you have to solve some 7 to 8 question, and average you will be crossing above 80. Easily you will be entered into any PSUs or state government jobs, whatever that you are expecting. So it's very important to keep your attention with all other subjects also. You can also observe our playlist. Already I have been released 1 hour videos of lectures, problem solving sessions for electrical machines, power system, power electronics, circuit theory at all. And of course for all other subjects also you can visit our website. I hope you all know our website is www.rkelectricalgrid.com, rkelectricalgrid.com. So there if you visit our website, you have been charged only 500 rupees for each and every subject, and a lifetime access will be given. You can access it for as many years that you want hereafter. So just to keep one subject, whenever you want to buy, just to buy individual subjects. And I don't think 500 is very big money for you all. Just to spend some time, buy this lecture and keep it with you, because here we are going to learn everything only through problems. Or if you want to have some group with the concepts also, or if you want to learn something deeply, in that case you can just visit our website in order to buy the lectures. Okay, next what we are going to do is, as I told you that we are not keeping our attention with the other subjects. When we are started keeping our attention only with this subject, core subject, because of this most of you are started losing your marks in the examination. What happening is, after sometimes in your examination you will be started playing well with all core subjects, but other subjects automatically, because you haven't given importance to these subjects, because of that automatically you are unable to solve so many questions. Okay, so what we are going to do is, I am going to start from engineering mathematics, then we will be completing signals and system, EMT, and then we are going to start control system, then we are going to start circuit theory, then we are going to start digital electronics, then measurements. After that, when we are about to, that is close to the exam, we are going to start electrical machines, and then power electronics, then power system, then analog electronics. Of course in analog electronics already some part has been covered, rest of things also will be covered. See, what we are going to do is, I'm going to, as I said that I'm going to release very less duration of videos, like 10 minutes videos, 5 minutes videos. By keeping it in 2x, you can complete as quickly as possible. So what you need to do is just keep your attention and watch it, directly solve the questions or directly take the test series. Definitely it will be helpful for you all. If you are not understanding what I am trying to conclude here, just as I already told you that I have released some playlist, it is available in our YouTube playlist. You can directly go through it once, then you will get the idea how the way we are going to observe the lectures, okay, just through problems. After that, we are also going to launch a test series. So this test series also completely free. I'm not going to charge anything for this, any amount for this. It is completely free of cost, but it will be conducted every weekend. So every weekend we'll be having chapter wise test series. After that it will be converted into subject wise test series. Of course, apart from that, we are also going to continue our CRE test again. You might have observed that what is the meaning of CRE quiz. CRE quiz means it's a basic financially supporting test. I have already explained it well, that this CRE quiz test will be conducted. Earlier we planned to conduct it for weekly, regular weeks or alternative weeks. After that, now it is decided to conduct at least monthly once or 3 months once, like that. So most probably it will be announced soon that whether it will going to be conducted monthly once or 3 months once. So for that, while conducting the CRE quiz, you have to, in order to participate in the CRE quiz, nothing you need to do. You have to get group with the subject that will be going to be conducted. Each and every time before conducting the test, that is 15 days yearly or 30 days yearly, the subject that will going to be conducted under CRE quiz will be announced. So you can get grip with that subject. After that, you have to pay very less money, because we can't conduct it for free of cost. Then only you will, if you pay some 50 rupees, then only you will have the worth of the test. But the rewarded that will be given is, it will be very huge money. So depends on the number of people who are going to be registered for this, you will be awarded more and more money. I hope these things also will be financially support. And I also giving guarantee that minimum from this CRE quiz you can expect minimum 2000 rupees, maximum we are planning to give 1 lakh rupees. But the thing is, all you have to do is you have to prepare very well for the test, and you should strong yourself in order to achieve the first position. Okay, so totally I have clearly explained everything that we are going to launch for the next 4 to 5 months. We are going to keep our attention with all our upcoming electrical subjects, and only there will be no cost for any of the subject. It will be completely free, and I hope you all will love this subject. You will be enjoying it. So come back to your preparation again. Start preparing dedicatively. There is no point is called sincerity or hard work. Just love the subject. Just like watch the videos the way you are watching movies. After watching some 5 to 6 videos of each and every playlist, automatically you will get the idea about the questions, how to crack it. So then you will be able to do your best. I strongly believe that. After that also, see, after watching the lectures also, if you are feeling that yes, it's better if you learn something more than this, it will be helpful for us. In that case, you can visit our website. Okay, rest of things you don't need to pay any money. Test series is fully free, and our lecture series also will going to be released directly on YouTube only. All you need to do is just to share these things with all your friends and support our channel, because I am doing this as a service, just in order to give my contribution in all your life. See, I know it's not possible to give my entire contribution for your life. At least I can give my support, such that you all will get the complete idea while preparing for the exams, instead of having lot of confusions, instead of losing your hopes. Definitely after end of this 11 subjects, at least out of 200, suppose if the exam will be conducted for 200, you all will get the grip at least to get some, out of 200 you will be getting some 170 to 180 marks minimum. I am giving 100% assurity for that. Okay, so thanks for watching our lectures, and thanks for supporting us. I hope you all will utilize this opportunity very well. Thank you all.